everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save more mobile data using Facebook. So most of you probably are on your phone and mainly use Facebook through it. So you might want to consider ways to save on mobile data when using it. So one of the things that you can do is go to the top right menu right here, click on the little settings icon right here on the little gear, and then click on media right down below here. Once you do that, you will see the data saver. So you want to click this to use up to 40% less data when watching videos on Facebook overall, and you want to turn off anything that autoplays by itself. So I've turned off autoplay on Facebook videos because you don't want anything to start playing automatically and just starting to read the data all by itself. Remove videos start with sound because that also just bundles up on top of the data. Reduce 3D for the motion as well. You can remove sound in the app, and links open externally will just slow down things to open it in Chrome. So click that as well to be set not on is what I meant. And that's pretty much it when it comes to this part. But also you can do the following as well. You can go to your phone's app settings, find Facebook, and under data usage you can turn off background data if you don't want anything to be used while browsing something else and Facebook is sitting in the background. You can also monitor these effects on the scale here, or if you want to browse it only while using mobile data to be saved, so basically only while using Wi-Fi, you can turn off mobile data as a whole, not to be used while on Facebook. That will pretty much kill the entire point of mobile phones. Okay, and that's pretty much it. These are all the tips I can give you for saving more data on Facebook. I hope they helped. If they did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.